Hello, I'm Andrew and I'm going to show you how to create the perfect cat eye with Ted. I'm going to be using the With Ted eyeliner marker pen, which is a really intense black and has the perfect shaped tip for literally creating that outer tick shape for you. Following the lash line, just press the pen tip on to create that outer tick, and then stroke inwards coming down towards the lash line, because you don't want a gap there. You may want to even just lift the lid slightly so you can get right into the roots of the lashes, and then using the very tiny tip of it, come inwards from the inner eye corner and join them up. Then I would suggest you look straight at yourself in the mirror and just assess whether the angle is right for you. I'm just gonna bring that corner down slightly and then do the same the other side. I'm gonna support the cat flick with some mascara and drag the mascara out on the outer corner just to really help exaggerate the wing effect of the makeup. And to finish the look, I'm going to add a matte lipstick in a really nude shade called Delight. And that's how I do a perfect cat eye with Ted.